Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate the job summary report under the management module in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the management module. Here, we have to select the management dashboard reports menu under the management module. Now, the management dashboard reports page will be displayed on the screen. Here, we have to select the required date range. Then we have to click the submit button. After clicking the submit button, the job details will be shown on the management dashboard reports page. Now, we have to click the job summary report button. On this management dashboard job summary report page, the details will be displayed on the screen. If you want to download this report, just select the options menu. Then we have to click the download button to download this report. This is how to generate the job summary report under the management module in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.